they make these things right here to drop oil into it. Do you think it's ever done? No, no it's not. Come on, baby.
That's how you fix it, boys.
We got one of those. Just a little guy. Damn, I wish that was on the other side. So we gotta drain the pressure. Just watch that go on now. We're gonna drain the boiler down. We got it isolated. We need to get that pump out of there. The least mess, the best. So, well, let's see what the old pipe vice will do here. Ooh. Alright, so we got the new pump in there, thanks to the pipe vise. Man, this is my new favorite tool. Alright, so, because they put the auto air vent on this side, we need to drain down the pressure real quick, swap that out. That way there's a place for the air to get released. So we're about to put some air into it. Alright, we broke all the air loose, loosened up out of here. We're ready to fire up. And there we go. We get all the air out right there. It's another one.